Hello everyone, myself Umar Mulani, working as Assistant Professor in Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadrao, Ichalkaranji. As I'm handling a blockchain subject for the final year students in Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today we will discuss about Byzantine general problem. Before to discuss about Byzantine uh, general problem, as we have discussed about the Paxos and the wrapped consensus algorithm, where the multiple Paxos which create a problem of having a number of proposals and getting and and have the number of voting for the proposals. Those proposals will have the number of voting. That proposal will be circulated within the nodes, whereas in the wrapped, instead of making a proposal, they will create an leader. They will choose a leader, and the leader will send the messages to the nodes within the network. So these consensus algorithms, one is Praxis and the another is wrapped, which will have certain kinds of problems or the certain kinds of drawback where they cannot be consider that if the leader is sending a fault message, or we can say the leader is behave like maliciously, then the message which are getting to the nodes which are untrusted and will not going to be trust on the leader. So because of that, we have the Byzantine general problem. So what we're having in the Byzantine general problem is where the condition of computer system, particularly distributed computing system, where components may fail and there is impact, there is imperfect information on whether a component has failed. Generally, the Byzantine problem is basically representing about the communication between the nodes, where one of the component is going to be failed, then what kind of message will getting within the system. The term takes its name from analogy, the Byzantine general problem developed to describe a situation in which, in order to avoid catastrophic failure of the system actor must agree on concentrated strategy, but some of these actors are unreliable. Uh, Wherein this Byzantine general problem, whereas one of the leader or one will be act as an leader, and where all going to be agree on the concerted strategy which has been designed within the network, and all are going to be follow the network. In Byzantine fault, a component which has a server can inconsistently appears both failed and functioning to failure detection system, presenting different symptoms of the different behaviors. As we have seen about different kinds of consensus algorithm, such as Paxos and the wrapped, where Byzantine fault, which we'll consider that is uh, will have the failure of both the functioning and detection, that will prevent certain kinds of observation within the system. So it is difficult for the other components to declare it failed and shut it out of the network, because they need to first reach a consensus regarding which component has failed in the first place. So here in Byzantine fault, it is very difficult to find which component of the system is going to be failed. Until and unless we are not finding out the which component has been failed, we are not going to be consider, that is, will not going to be have the consensus regarding which of the component is failed, and till then we will not going to be able to shut the network. So this is what Byzantine general problem, where we are, until and unless we are not finding which component of the systems get failed, we can't able to find out which uh, whether we need to stop the network or whether we should uh, continue with the networking. So we'll see the Byzantine general problem with the examples. So here we're having a three Byzantine general problem, where we can say that is lieutenant is faulty. We're going to be see with the round 1 and the round 2 what will happen. Here we have a commander, and we're having a two lieutenant, lieutenant 1 and lieutenant 2, where commander is sending a message, that is, we can say that is round 1. Commander correctly send same message to the lieutenant. So same message, that is retreat. This is the message the commander is sent to the lieutenant 1, and the same message will be sent to the lieutenant 2. So what will happen in the round 2, that is lieutenant 1 correctly echoes to the lieutenant 2. That means lieutenant 1 which will send the same message which is got from the commander, that is retreat, whereas lieutenant 2 incorrectly echoes to the lieutenant 1, where the lieutenant 2 is a faulty, that is it act as maliciously, and he is sending the message, it is attack, which is not getting from the commander. So this is what we can say here. The lieutenant 2 is acting as a maliciously. So what will happen here is that as lieutenant 1 receive the message which is different from the lieutenant, uh, uh, the message different as from the commander and as per the lieutenant 2, by integrating condition lieutenant 1 round to decide the commander message. That means the lieutenant 1 has to give the priority to the commander what commander message has been sent to him, that is retreat. So he has to choose the commander message instead of lieutenant 2, because the integrity of the condition that lieutenant 1 bound to decide on the commander message. That means lieutenant 1 is bound to obey the order from the commander, not from the lieutenant 2. So the lieutenant 1 will obey the command or obey the message from the commander, not from the lieutenant 2. So this is what the Byzantine general problem will have, that is the message which are getting from the commander to the lieutenant 1 and lieutenant 2, where the lieutenant 2 will act as maliciously. So the lieutenant 1 believe on the message from the commander only, isn't it? So what will happen if the commander is faulty? What will happen if the commander is faulty? Now we have seen in this example is that commander is giving the order, the commander is sending the message, but the lieutenant 2 act as a faulty. But what will happen if commander is act as a faulty? So what will happen in the round 1 is that is commander send different message to the lieutenants. So now we'll see the scenario is that the commander is act as maliciously and he's sending the message to the lieutenant 1 is different, and for the lieutenant 2 is different. For lieutenant 1 it is sending the message that is retreat, where for the lieutenant 2 he is sending the message as attack. So what the next thing will going to happen is that lieutenant 1 receives the correct message and it will send the same message to the lieutenant 2. whereas Lieutenant Second is also receive the correct message and it will send to the Lieutenant 1. So who so for this scenario, now who will the Lieutenant 1 and Lieutenant 2 both are correct because they are getting the message from the commander is that one is getting the message as retreat and where other is getting the message as attack, where the Lieutenant 1 and the Lieutenant 2 are correct. They are as per their message we are getting from the commander, but both we don't know about whether the commander is acting as maliciously or not. So this is what we can say, that is Byzantine general problem is going to be happen when the commander is faulty. So what in this scenario, what we are going to be consider, that is, so Lieutenant 1 receive different message and by integrity condition both lieutenant will conclude that commander message. This contract the agreement condition, no solution possible for three general including one faulty. So because of the integrity condition where the Lieutenant 1 and Lieutenant 2 which will have the different messages, so they will not have any solution. They will not going to have any solution because they will not going to be get the same solution or the same message from the commander. So this contradict the agreement of the condition. That means this message will not going to be have the consents of the, they will not reach to the consents. That means whether we should attack or whether should retreat, because Lieutenant 1 has got the different message whereas Lieutenant 2 has got the different message. So both the lieutenants will not conclude with the same message, or they will not have the consents on the message which they got from the commander. So they will not be have any kind of conclusion and they will not have any kind of solution possible from the three generals including as one faulty and where the commander is get faulty. So there is not have any conclusion or any consents of the consents on the commander message. Now we'll see about there is having a four Byzantine general problem. That means they are having a four generals were there, and from that one is act as a commander and other three is act as a lieutenant. So what will happen? Commander send the message to each of the lieutenant, and that message will be same to the all the lieutenant, where from the lieutenant one lieutenant is act as maliciously, that is the lieutenant 2 is considered as a faulty. So what will happen here is that lieutenant 1 and lieutenant 3 correctly echoes the message to the others, whereas lieutenant 2 incorrectly echoes to the others, where lieutenant 2 has act as maliciously and it is sending the message to the lieutenant 1 and lieutenant 3, and the message it is attack, and whereas he got the message from the commander is retreat. So in this case what will happen is that we need to go with the majority of the voting or the majority of the message. So if you consider about the lieutenant 1, what message he is getting from its commander and from other lieutenant. So the majority, the lieutenant 1, the decision by the lieutenant 1 will be make on the message they are getting from the commander, that is retreat, and the message is getting from the lieutenant 2 it is attack, and the message it is getting from a lieutenant 3 it is retreat. So retreat, attack and the retreat. So the majority of the message which is getting to the lieutenant 1 is retreat. So it will consider as a retreat message which is getting from its commander, whereas lieutenant 3 where it gets the retreat message from the commander, the retreat message from the Lieutenant 1 and attack message from the Lieutenant 2, and the majority it will have the retreat and it will act according to the message. So this is what the scenario which we'll getting. If only one lieutenant is get faulty, then the message which you are getting for the lieutenant 1 and lieutenant 3, and that majority of the code or the majority of the message which will give you the correct conclusion or consensus, that is they need to retreat the conclusion or the consensus that they will reach is retreat, which is the message we are getting from the commander. So this is what we can say the 4 Byzantine problem we are going to be facing. And what will happen if suppose the commander is get faulty, means the commander is act as maliciously, and other lieutenants within the network they are act as a correctly. So what will happen? The round 1, the commander send a different message to the lieutenants, as it is sending the message to the lieutenant 1 as retreat, lieutenant 3 as retreat, and where the lieutenant 2nd which will have the message it is attack. So lieutenant 1, lieutenant 2 and lieutenant 3 correctly echo the messages to each others, where all the lieutenant they are sent the message to each other correctly. So what the majority principle will work here or not, that we'll see here. So lieutenant 1 will decide on the majority, so that what the message he has get from the commander is retreat, and where the message he is getting from the lieutenant 2 it is attack, and the message he is getting from the lieutenant 3 is retreat. So the majority of this message will be how retreat. So the lieutenant 1 will work on the message it is retreat, whereas lieutenant 2 is decide on the majority, the message he is getting from commander is attack, where from the lieutenant 1 the message is getting is retreat, and from the lieutenant 3 this message is getting as retreat. So the majority of the message it is retreat. So the lieutenant 2 make the consensus that the conclusion is he has to retreat the message, whereas the lieutenant 3 which is decide on the majority of message which is getting from the commander it is retreat, and from the lieutenant 1 it is retreat, and from the lieutenant 2 it is attack, and the message which is getting here is retreat. So the majority of the messages for each and every lieutenant, and if they want to do the if they want to make the conclusion, they will have the majority of the messages, and from that they will make the consensus of that what action they need to take it, or which message they need to consider. So this is what the Byzantine general problem. If we'll find that is a commander is faulty, then also from the majority of the messages the lieutenant will go for the, or a lieutenant will act on the majority of the messages. So what is Byzantine model general problem we'll consider over here is that, as we consider here is that n number of process with at most f faulty, that means there have the 2f plus 1, where we are going to be considered as a number of faulty lieutenant will be there, and depending on that we're going to be considered about what kind of message we'll getting on the majority of the messages. Receivers always knows the identity of the sender, where all the receivers will know each others and they know who is going to be sending the message, that is receivers always know identity of the senders, and all these nodes or all these members of this network are fully connected to each others. So there will not going to be have any kind of in synchronization between them, and where the reliable communication medium So each and everyone get the message from each and everyone will have the message from the nodes within the network, and where the system is synchronous, where each and everyone get the information for the what action should be taken or what action should be considered for the further conclusion of the or further consistent of the algorithm or consistent of the message. So this is what Byzantine general problem, where if we going to be consider about three Byzantine general model, if one is going to be act as faulty, then uh, the system will work. But if in three Byzantine problem, if the main leader is sending or where main leader is act as maliciously, there will not be have any consensus of the message. But if the four Byzantine general problem will be there, if lieutenant or any member, or we can say here lieutenant is act one lieutenant will act as maliciously, then also we can have the certain kinds of conclusion, or even the commander, the leader, which act as maliciously, then also we can conclude with certain kinds of consensment of the message. Thank you.